there is this one show called Nadia's Time to Eat, which is basically a cookery show, but it's about people. It's the specific audience are those who are time strapped. Like this. In the morning on a rush hour, busy weekday, what are the kind of amazing breakfast ideas, that you could make, in matter of minutes. But that's what, since it's a show on Netflix, even the breakfast options are very Western, like pancakes and, like really different things like mushroom and spaghetti and things which personally I really enjoy, But of course, from an Indian perspective, we are used to our idli, dosa breakfast. So, but this show is really worth watching because it is a that's what it is, a cookery show with a twist. It's like normally cookery shows can be very like bland and boring almost, but this one gives us a peek into the life of the cookery host, and also it's, I don't know, it's pretty bizarre that since she it's also about breakfast ideas, right? So she when they were speaking about particular, like milk is an important component of breakfast, so then they take us to a dairy farm to show us the entire process. So those of us who are vegan, it's anything but impressive, yeah, to see a place where animals are systematically abused. So I don't know. So that was the only drawback for me. But otherwise, Nadia's Time to Eat, and it's I think the host is this. I don't know. To the lay person, she might seem like a Afro American, but I guess maybe it is exotic. Maybe she dresses like some Egyptian or Moroccan or something like that. So that itself is that exotic factor to the show. So try and check it out, people. It's called Nadia's Time to Eat, and you'll find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.